Hey everybody, I'm Darwin Moore, your host, and welcome to What the Health. As always, I want to thank you guys for rolling with me. I really do appreciate it. We're just starting out, and we're seeing some progress, but we can't do it without you guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you who has listened and subscribed. I want you guys to please give me input because I really want to make this show revolve around you and your concerns when it comes to health. Please feel free to comment, and we'll definitely take whatever the audience has to say into consideration. So also, I want you guys to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button, because I feel that this information is really important. This is something that I'm passionate about, okay? Also, a little bit of housekeeping. I just want to thank and mention my sole exclusive sponsor, which is Cranwood Collections. You'll be able to see the link down below. What they produce some of the most beautiful fragrances for men and women, all natural, essential oil-based, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, phthalate-free, what have you, organic. And they do produce some of the most beautiful fragrances I've ever been a part of. And I know exactly what's in them, so no big surprise there. A couple of the ones that I really like, I like this, I have a Monica Rose, but I also have a cashmere and vanilla, okay? Cashmere and vanilla. I bought this for my girl, and she loves it. It has notes of cashmere, of course, vanilla, sandalwood, peach, and peach blossom. Okay, very good smelling stuff, and it really turns me, gets me a little excited when I smell my girl with this on. But okay, we'll leave all that for another day. I am a health and wellness advocate / consultant, whatever you want to call it. And so I've been on this journey for a long time. And so everything that I'm telling you is not something that I've heard or read. It's from real world experience with essential oils. So without further ado, we're going to continue this series on 100 best essential oil uses. We stopped on number 41, so we're on number 40 right now. Okay, number 40 is strengthening your nails. Okay, and you'll see a lot of these oils can be used for various reasons, and that's why I love essential oils, because they're so versatile. But strengthening nails, lemon oil or lavender oil, rubbing that on your nails can help strengthen brittle nails. Okay. And I know the ladies, I know you ladies love your nails, and so this is a way to keep them nice and healthy, okay? Teeth whitening, using spearmint oil or peppermint oil is a natural option for brightening, for teeth whitening. So what I've done before is that I've taken a couple drops of peppermint oil. I tend to like peppermint oil. I put a couple drops of peppermint oil on my toothpaste, and I ate that in a brush. I know everything is loaded with whitening ingredients these days, but at least I know that this is pure, unadulterated stuff. So sometimes I'll do that, but I'll also wash my mouth out with hydrogen peroxide and water, a mixture of that too. That's a good, but peppermint oil, that's my go-to when I'm looking as a natural option for whitening my teeth. Plus, it explodes in your mouth as far as the effectiveness and just the flavor of peppermint. True, straight up peppermint oil also does a tremendous job in freshening your breath. It's crazy. Hand care. So what I do with hand care, once again, lavender oil. I just add this to, you can do this. You can get you some fractionated coconut oil and put a couple drops of lavender, and great hand care. It soothes cracked or dry hands and just makes them soft and smooth. I swear to God, this is the real deal when it comes to hand care, because lavender is just soothing, and it really does the job on cracked hands and cracked or dry hands. Because I mean, women don't want these hard, scaly hands touching all on them. So guys, for the ladies, you might want to introduce some lavender into your moisturizing routine. Okay, smooth feet. Or tired feet, I guess I should say. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps refresh tired, dry feet. Okay, I do this every once in a while. I do it a lot. I do it with peppermint, where I've rubbed it on my feet and my knees and my joints, and I've done it with lavender. Okay, so those tend to be my go-tos. I just take them and just rub my feet down with it, and it does smell good and it feels good. So peppermint oil definitely will help in refreshing tired, dry feet. Okay, now to brighten your skin, orange oil. Okay, a lot of vitamin C, and this is why it helps. But what I've done is just taken some water, put some drops of orange oil in there, and just throughout the day, I may just spray my face down just to keep it moist and looking good, and it works. Okay, so it will help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Okay, so very useful for that. Antifungal, number 35, antifungal treatment. We're going to go back to tea tree oil. Okay, tea tree oil, like I've said before, it's effective in treating fungal infections, especially like athlete's feet, because it has those antifungal, antiviral properties naturally that helps combat antifungal or athlete's feet, so to speak. So tea tree oil, another effective way. I mean, we've looked at tea tree oil to disinfect surfaces, prevent mold, clean your toilet. We've used lemon oil to freshen the air, to deodorize, to repel dust. So as you can see, you don't need a whole arsenal of essential oils to do a whole list of things, for your body, for your health, around the house. So you don't need a whole list of essential oils. There's a few ones out there that will do the job, do whatever job you need it to do. And number 34, you can make a lip balm. Okay, you can use basically whatever oil you want. If it's lavender, if it's peppermint, if it's eucalyptus, if it's vanilla, if it's orange, if it's citrus, you can use these oils combined with coconut oil or whatever, just to make a natural soothing lip balm. Okay, number 33, shiny hair. Now you'll see this in some of your high-end shampoos today out on the market, but shiny hair, argan oil adds shininess and reduces frizz for glossy, healthy hair. Okay, argan oil, ARGAN, adds shine and reduces frizz for shiny, glossy, healthy hair. Sunburns, number 32. Aloe vera oil or lavender oil provides relief from sunburn. Okay. And last but not least for this particular video, treating dandruff and itchy scalp. Once again, This is something that I've used on this bald head. It still gets itchy, but I put a couple drops of tea tree oil with my shampoo, and it does wonders for controlling dandruff and itchiness, and it just gives you, it just helps in soothing scalp irritation. Okay, so so that's the quick list today. I just want to make these quick hitting, so you have the I just raised the possibilities or the probability of you guys watching more of the video. So that's going to be it for this particular video. Hopefully you found something or heard something useful. If you want to get the whole list of the excuse me, if you want to get the whole list of the 100 essential oils, just please make sure to use the email address down below with the subject 100, and we'll get you, we'll send you a free ebook as a gift to us for giving us your time. And also, as a wellness and as a wellness advocate and consultant, some of the companies that I work for, I work with a really great essential oil company that provides uses for everything, okay? Health-wise, internally, externally, babies, pets, cleaning the kitchen, whatever purpose you can think of. The company, one of the companies that I represent, they carry all this stuff, and it's the best I consider out there. They're very responsible in the different regions of the world that they work in and in the communities. Everything is the highest standard, certified pure grade. So make sure to check out my company. The link is below. One of the companies that I work with. Make sure to check that out. You'll see the link below, and they're giving, I think with promo code WTH20, you're going to be able to save, you're going to be able to get your first year's membership free, okay? Which is a savings of $35, I think it is. And then you're going to get everything at wholesale, okay? So we're going to be able to provide you with the best, most pure, most therapeutic grade, multifunctional selection of essential oils that are out there. So feel free to give them a look. And as always, I want you guys to also remember Cranwood collection, okay, for all your fragrance needs, both men and women. The code WTH20. You'll see that down below. So as always, I want to thank you for watching. Please comment because it just helps us create more information and more episodes of things that you guys want to talk about. So if you have different ailments or whatever it is, you share your experience with essential oils. I just want to help build this community. So please remember to like, I think it's over here, okay? Please watch the next video in the series, because this is a whole series of this 100 best uses just broken down into tens. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. And until next time, let's all stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Peace.